Look, it's Rodzilla. Ron! So why is this Rodzilla guy making a beeline to my boat? You ever been stalked by a monster? And then he goes up to my boat and gives it a sniff. He sees me up here on the dock. Where's he headed? Straight up towards me. Think he has a taste for old Captain Danny's hook arm, soon to be hook arm? Let me know in the comments below. He's got a strange scar on his right eye area there. He may even well be missing his eye. Let me know what you think about Rodzilla in the comments below.